Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about Kogilakshan Kashayam. This Kashayam is very famous for treating rheumatoid arthritis, jaundice, hepatic condition, anemia, gouty arthritis and various different form of arthritis. This Kashaya is having very good effect. It boosts the immunity of the patient, it helps to fight against viral fever and myalgia, such type of conditions. This Kashaya is having a effective result on that. And it is also very good in bursitis, shoulder dislocation pain, osteoarthritis. Till now, there is no side effect known for this Kashaya. Usually, this Kashaya is taken 10 to 15 ml on empty stomach, early morning 6 a.m. and evening 5 p.m. with 50 ml of water. This Kashayam is manufactured by Kottakkal Ayurveda, Vaidyaratnam, Siddharam, Nagarjuna, SNA, just like different types of pharmacies that are very famous in Kerala. Kerala is manufacturing this Kashaya. This Kashayam consists of two ingredients mainly: Kogilasha, Ashwagandha longifolia, Amrada, Tinospora caudifolia. These are the main two ingredients of this Kashaya. Reference of this Kashaya is in Bhaishya Ratnavali, Vada Ratna, Roghadhikara, 27th chapter, 13th sloka. Kogilakshamradam Gwade, Pibed Krishnam Yadabalam, Paddiboji, Trisaptaha, Muchyade, Vada Shonidam. This Kashaya had to be taken under a doctor's medical observation and advice, and while taking this Kashaya, the patient had to take only vegetarian food and leafy vegetables. Usually the Kogilaksha leaf had to be made into a small sabji, and that had to be taken by the people who is having diseases and consuming this Kashaya. So this is about Kogilakshan Kashaya. I think the information is helpful for you. Thank you.